So excited to have this e.l.f. Skin gifted package. All of these products are so beautiful. I've been testing these products out for about a week now, and my skin is so soft. It is refreshed. It just feels really clean, and there is a glow too. So I'm really excited to continue using all of these products. There are so many different types of skincare products by e.l.f. now. There's an acai glow stick, a cleanser, a toner, a moisturizer, a lip balm. It is all so refreshing to put on, and I am just so excited to continue using these products to see the long-term results. These products have been marked clean by e.l.f. They are fragrance-free, cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, and I am loving that they contain oat milk. I have never used a skincare product with an oat milk base before, so I'm very excited to continue using this because I already have some great results. Check out the link to shop.